Welcome back. Now let us learn the few operators, and we'll start with a very basic one. And let's assume that you have declared a variable like this on line number 110, and if you want to do sum or any kind of things, then you can do like this as well. So here I'm trying to add one. You can have the different number as well, or this could be a different variable altogether. So I'm just trying to add one, and line 112 I'm trying to print. So it has printed one. You can also add like this way. This is also one of the way. So let us see. Line 113 I'm adding one and printing it. So it has added one further. Okay. So in this way you can add any number, like this could be one number, this could be another number, and so on. So this is a very basic operation. And now let us do the few logical one. So we have defined two variables, a equal to true, b equal to false. So if you do like this, a and b, so definitely true and false, it will be the false. So let us print, let us run this 116, 117 and 118. It should print false. So this is printed false. Now a or b, this is the way. So true and false, a or b means definitely true. So when I run line 119, it is the true. And you can reverse, like you can take a not like this, 120, not of a is true, that is a false. So you can do the various logical operations like this. Okay, now let us go ahead and try to find it out something. So we have defined a variable x equal to 4, y equal to 8, and another list in 125. If you want to find it out whether x is in the list, so you can write like this, x in this list. If yes, else it is there, else it is not there. So let us run this much and let us see what is printing. So it is saying line 1, x is available in the given list because x is 4 and 4 is also available over here. So that is what it has available. Now y not in list, is it? Let us see what it prints. And so it is saying y is not available in the given list. That is fine. So if you see the y value is 8 and 8 is not over here. So definitely y is not in the list. So you can, if you want to see the presence, you can test like this. If you want to see the absence, that is not present, you can test like this. Okay, now let us go ahead and function. You can write a good number of functions in the Python. So it defines like this way. You have to use the keyword def. Then this is the name of the function and all the sum input. You can have the main input by comma separated, and this is the column. And then in case of Python, everything is at indent. So if you see that there, the very first one is at here, and after this at column 4. So it is a fourth indent. Basically everything is indent. You cannot have anything in curly braces and all. In few of the technology, it used to happen like this. Here you used to have the start curly brace and at the end. Okay, so it is not in Python, it's not like that. Everything is indent based. So if you see that after one indent, everything is there. So what is the meaning of this? If Python will interpret in this way, that function definition is starting from here, and everything this is under this function. Okay, and if I write something like the way I have written this one, it is in this indent. It means this and these are siblings, but this line is not inside the function. Okay, so first you have to run, when you define the function like this, this is the way you do few of the operations, and if you want to return something like this. So here we are running it so that it came to memory, and we are calling the function in this way, line 145. So when you call it, so in the function it is simply saying, it is printing I am inside the function, and it is increasing the input by 1 and returning the output. That's all. So 5 plus 1, 6. This is what you see. That's all. Okay, that's all. Now